Dear colleagues, hi. Today we will learn about Basecamp. It's a very easy and straightforward thing. First of all, I would like to ask you to check your email for the invitations or invitation that you received previously already, because everyone who's part of a Basecamp project is already or has already received an invitation previously, a couple of months ago. So if there's no other solution, then please enter Basecamp into the search field in your email and try to find the invitation. And if you can't find it, then please send me an email or message me on Skype or on Facebook, and then I will resend the invitation. First of all, what's very important to understand is that Basecamp is an integrated project management software suite, which allows us to work in a concentrated, focused way around one particular project. You will see that you can exchange instant messages and chats through Basecamp. Also, you can create email threads. They are called differently, and you will see in the continuation of this video in a minute. And also, you can create to-do lists, like task lists, where you can enter new tasks and then tick off tasks that have already been completed. Also, it allows the sharing of documents and the commenting on documents for everyone to see and for everyone to continue commenting, and a number of other functions. So you will see it's very easy to use. It's very straightforward, and we have a subscription for Basecamp, so we pay for it on a monthly basis. Not a huge amount of money. However, it would make sense to actually also use it if we are already subscribing to it. So it's really a very straightforward, very easy thing to use. But first of all, you should be able to log in, and if you cannot, then please let me know. Also, you can download Basecamp. It's Basecamp number 3. You can also download Basecamp to your smartphone, iPhones or also Android phones. There's a dedicated app for Basecamp, which will also send you notifications. If someone does something in Basecamp, then you can get a notification and you can immediately react if you want. If you don't want to react immediately, of course, you can also react the next day, or you can turn off notifications, and then you will only get notified when you log into your computer, or you get an email if someone does something in Basecamp. So far I have set up a Basecamp for every single project that we have been pursuing in the ATG. Please note that Basecamps are actually projects. So a project is called a Basecamp in Basecamp. So it's a rather easy, straightforward concept, you will see. But now let's watch this short instructional video in which I will introduce how Basecamp looks like. It might look slightly different because on your computer screen, because you will only see the Basecamps that you are assigned to, and you don't. Well, I see all the Basecamps because I'm the administrator. So let's get going with the video, and then I will also come back to you in the end and say a couple of words about what else can be interesting or important about Basecamp. So when you log into Basecamp, then this is essentially what you see. You will see all the projects that you are assigned to, and here's our name. So we are the ATG. Here's our logo, and you see these are the projects that currently exist. So if I click on Aging Coordination, which is one of the projects that we have been maintaining, then you will see that this is how it looks like. There are various sections. These are the names, these are the people who are assigned to the given project or who participate in the given project. You see with the abbreviations. You can also, when you log in, then add your pictures, just like I did. So let's click on Campfire. Campfires really are chats. You know, it's like sitting around the campfire and talking. That's that's the metaphor, or that's the image that you should imagine. Let's type in a test message here. And when I hit enter, then everybody gets notification that I sent this message to the whole group. And then we can exchange quick messages, just like in Facebook. Now, the next one is the message board. The message board really is an emailing system with the difference that it's project specific here for this particular project. Again, let's see to-dos. To-dos are task lists, lists of duties, tasks that you are supposed to take care of. Let's close this box. You see that also it says who has added the given, or who is responsible for the given task. You can add a new one here. You can also tick them when they are done, and then you will see the done tasks on the bottom of the list. Let's go back. Now let's see schedule. Schedule really is a simple calendar that allows you to enter events. These can be deadlines, in fact. You can also add another event, which seriously, I mean, just can be a deadline. You can also look back to the previous project period and add additional, just look at additional tasks, whether they have been done and when they were done. We don't use automatic check-ins. They practically allow you to set automatic reminders for every day for people to log in and to report on what they have been doing, but we will not use this option this time. And then let's see docs and files, which is what it says. It is a collection of documents and files that are relevant for the given project. You see, Maria has already added 2 files. You can also upload files, just like these 2 have been uploaded, and you can also start an internal document. So I clicked on Start Document, and now I type in a title and also a text body. And when I say post this doc, then everybody gets notification that I posted this document. So you get an email, and also when you click on the, let's close this box again, and when you so you can also clap for me, which is the same like liking a document. So you see, you can also comment on documents. Let's just go back to the collection. You can link Google Documents, which is another very useful tool, which we hopefully will use to an even larger extent as time goes by. And then you can also add a new folder. So let's go back again to the starting page. And if you go down, then you will see all the things that have happened in the project so far. So everything that everyone has ever done in this project will be listed here in the timeline or on the timeline, which is very useful if you want to go back and look at everything that happened so far. So everything is in one place, in fact, which is, I think, one of the most useful functions. So this is it. I hope you will enjoy using it.